Hey there, thanks for watching. My name is Robert Renaud, and I am the DIY marketing guy, and I'll tell you why in a minute. This is actually my first video. I wasn't ready to do it. I had fear creep in. Like during this quarantine, I grew a beard and it grew and it was kind of scraggly, and I was like, surely I can't do a video. My hair hadn't been cut in weeks, and anyway, I buzzed it all off. So yeah, I actually went to a training seminar recently, and the coach there, he actually took my hat off and threw it across the room. He's like, quit hiding behind that hat. And I feel like that's what I've been doing most of my life. And so, it's time to get real, man. I need to be honest with you. And I want you to see the real me that's been hiding behind the hat. And I believe honesty in this type of business is so crucial. It's time to say no to fear and start living the life that we're intended to live. I thought to myself, like, I am so sick and tired of sitting on the sidelines waiting for these dang videos of people becoming successful. And I know I'm smarter than most of them. I can do this too. I've been in network marketing for coming up in October, it'll be 4 years. But this past year, I've been stuck at the same rank for the whole year, all year. It's a good rank. I'm thankful for it. I'm at the level where I get all my products for free, plus some extra to knock out the light bill every month. But I'd never quit because there's like 15 products I use every day, and it'd be foolish for me to quit. I get the stuff for free, so that was really the only thing that was keeping me in. But I was so freaking frustrated, though. It really sucked. I felt like such a failure. I did everything my upline told me to do, but it just wasn't working. I did all the things. In fact, when I first started, I contacted 200 people right off the bat off my Facebook friend list. I hosted regular weekly events. I drove the miles. I was always making Facebook posts of myself using the products because I loved them. I felt like I had to do every social gathering because there were potential prospects everywhere. So I felt like I had to go just to talk to everyone. I was like a vulture or something. I lost my own identity. I didn't even know who I was anymore. Who can I prospect was always on my mind wherever I went. I don't want to look at people like that. Is that any way to live? My problem, I figured out, it was duplication. But do I want my team doing that too? I want them to be successful. So truly my heart behind this was to help people. But I was at the point of desperation. It just got so ugly. Cold prospecting is just so weird and awkward. I've been told like I'm weird enough as it is. But over the years, it kind of mellows out. You get cool with it. You avoid rejection by just hoping people will come to you. And the hunting isn't so severe anymore. But the problem is, then again, you don't have the growth you had either, without all that. So, I love my team. I take full responsibility if they do not succeed because, I got them in, and so I feel like it's my duty to shepherd them well and to see them through. And I didn't want them to get in this thing just to create a financial burden for them. Like, I don't want to do that to people. I just kept thinking there has got to be a better way. So, I started working on devising my own duplication system. I've been working in marketing for 17 years now, so I figured I can figure this stuff out. Until it's after midnight right now. I was just up late night and looking on Facebook, and I just clicked on a Facebook ad, just like you did, and I saw things that I'd known deep down, but I never heard it quite this way. And so I'm here to tell you that there is a better way. So now the reason I created my brand as the DIY marketing guy is because there are plenty of tools out there. I mean, there's websites, chat bots, sales funnels, YouTube channels, Facebook pages, and all that stuff. But the thing is that stuff can be, like, to a beginner or to somebody that's living in fear, I mean, that stuff can be overwhelming. It's just confusing. So my background in marketing joined with your desire to succeed is all we need. I mean, you get all the tools to be successful, and I help you along the way by providing the templates and the scripts and just everything you need. So my goal and my passion is to help you succeed. So let me show you exactly what to do. So we devise a plan. So I've actually been, let me see, I would say read it, but I get books on audio. So I've been reading or listening to Think and Grow Rich. And let me read it here. There's 6 steps for acquiring what you desire. So number 4 is start to develop your plan. Begin at once, whether you're ready or not. So that's why I'm here. What steps are you planning to take that move you towards your goal? Do not wait for the plan to be perfect. Start right away. You can and will make adjustments to the plan as you're moving forward. And also the Bible says, commit your works to the Lord and your plans will be established. That's Proverbs 16:3. So with that being said, you have a destiny in this world. I am just the guy who can take you by the hand, teach you, show you, provide tools, knowledge, and experience. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. This is a free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp that my mentor created. In it, you'll learn 3 valuable lessons. These lessons have changed everything in my business and have given me hope again. I mean, it's been a long time. So number 1 is how to become a master recruiter without endless prospecting. You know, like going to the mall, talking to strangers, going to parties, and, you know, just doing all the things, calling all your family and just bugging the heck out of them. So none of that anymore. So number 2 is how to build a team faster without leaving your home using social media. And, you know, won't that be great? And number 3 is how to get highly qualified people reaching out to you, asking what company you're with and how to get them in. And so all you have to do is just click the link below, and I mean, what have you got to lose? It's free. So I'll see you again soon.